Hello and welcome to the Hello Puppy Test Kitchen. Today we will show you how to make our pet ice cream in 4 simple steps. To start off with, make sure that you have all of your utensils available. You need to have your ice cream mold, your mixing bowl, whisk and your measuring jug. Step 1, we've boiled our kettle. You need 325 mils of freshly boiled water. Gently pour that into your mixing bowl. Step 2, open your pet ice cream and pour the contents of the ice cream into your mixing bowl. There is an oxygen absorber in the ice cream mix. Make sure to discard this. Gently whisk all of the ingredients until a lovely smooth consistency is formed. Pour back into your measuring jug. Finally, pour the ice cream into your mold. Once you have done this, freeze. Once frozen, serve to your pet.